Illustrators, welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today we are going to make a Valentine's character. We are going to create a Valentine's Day owl. Here's a picture of what it will look like when we're finished. All right, illustrators, go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and let's get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our owl character. The first thing we want to do is a really large, slightly curved line. This will be the top of our owl's head. And we're going to make 2 ears that stem from this line. Same thing on the other side. Now we want to make 2 lines that come down on either side for the outer edge of the owl's body. We don't want them to be straight though. We want them to be slightly angled outward. 1 and 2. And we're going to connect these with a curved line at the bottom. Now inside of this shape, we're going to draw a really big heart. And we want 2 really large circles for our owl's eyes. 1. And 2. And a little triangle for the nose. The pupils for our owl's eyes going to be ovals. And something I talk about in a lot of my videos is leaving a little spot of the paper showing through when you're coloring in your eye pupils. And that will leave a little highlight for us. I'm going to do 2 eyebrows. I love it when characters look curious and their eyebrows sit above their bodies. I think that is so fun. We'll add a couple feathers on the very tip top there. We're going to add 2 little wings, one on that side and one on that side. This owl has teeny tiny little feet. 1. 2. And we'll add a little bit of texture here just by adding some lines. And in the center here, we'll add some scallops. Like a series of curved lines here to indicate that there are feathers. And just a couple lines here on the exterior as well. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our owl character. The next step is to add some color. So go ahead and get colored pencils, markers, crayons, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. last step that we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Wonderful job today on all of your owl illustrations, illustrators. I hope that you all have a very happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you next time back here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!